everybody, I have got the products from Roopmantra to review and check how their products are, and this is the parcel which I have got it, and I'm unboxing it for you here in this video. These are few of the products which I have received it from Roopmantra, and this video is only the unboxing of the products I have received for reviewing purpose. I shall be using it, testing it, and then make a review out of it. How are these products based on my experience on the products they have sent. I shall show you what are the products I have received, and these are the products I have got, and I shall be checking them out for about a short period of time and see how these products react and how these products give the results, and only then I shall make a review out of my experience. So my first product, which is the medical cream, a complete Ayurvedic skin health solution for entire family, and it's 100% paraben free. The net value is 30 grams, and it's all completely Ayurvedic, no chemically built product, and all you have to do is you have to massage gently over the cleansed face twice daily, and you should be getting the result. I shall try this very soon, and I'll show you guys the results and give you a proper review. So this is my first product. Next product I have received for reviewing purpose is the face wash, lime and mint face wash. This is the tube, and here are the details. It's of 115 ml, and the pricing is 83 rupees, and this claims to remove the dryness, roughness, and controls the skin cracking. So this should help you guys in the dryness and the roughness of your skin, and this is a face wash. And my next product is the neem face wash, which should help you in the excess oil for oily skin. It helps in blemishes and pimple control, helps in removing the dirt. As we all know, neem is a very good ingredient for your face packs and any of your skin treatment. Neem works wonders. So yeah, this is a neem face wash, and I think this should help many of the people who are prone to skin, the pimples, that should be relief. And my next product is the Roopmantra pimple gel. This is a pimple gel, and this is the box. It's of 136 rupees, and the net value is 15 gram. This is a gel based of pimple. Wherever you get the pimple pop outs, you just have to apply this and try out. So instructions here they have given. You have to apply over properly cleansed area, on the cleansed area, and you can apply this twice in a day. Okay, and I shall be using this. I'll not say how are these products because I myself don't know. I haven't used this. I shall very soon use them all and come up with the experience of mine, how I feel these products are, and give you a gist of it. And my next product is the cucumber face wash. It helps in controlling blemishes and pimples. It helps in purifying. As you all know, cucumber is a coolant for your skin, so it might help a lot for your pimples and any kind of bubbles or the boils if you are getting it. Okay, so this is a gel form of face wash. And my last product in the box from Roopmantra is the mixed fruit face wash, which will help in removing the dirt and pimples, and they have completely focused on the pimple and blemishes. All the products what I have received from Roopmantra are focused towards the pimple and blemishes, how it helps in controlling and removing the blemishes and pimples. This is all Ayurvedic based, 100% paraben free and naturally built products. How are the effects? I shall very soon come up with the review and the experience of my personal experience of all the products I have received from Roopmantra, and I'm very excited. I shall soon check them out and come up with my honest review, and I shall meet you with my review after maybe a couple of weeks. Until then, take a break. I shall be back with my experience on this. Till then, take care. Bye.